Yes, and this is a full-to-player arcade Pong running on Arduino. This is a 30-second arcade Pong game built with Arduino and a small OLED display. 2 players control paddles. The goal is simple: score more before the timer ends. We only use Arduino, an OLED display, for buttons, and a buzzer. First, here is the wiring diagram. Follow this carefully before building the circuit. Now, we move to the real hardware setup. Connect everything exactly like this. The code uses simple game states: start, play, and game over. Once started, the game runs for 30 seconds. The highest score wins. At the end, Arduino automatically shows the winner. Try building it yourself and upgrade it into your own arcade game.